Hello world, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my content. And in this content I'm going to share with you in the topic. The topic name is why you can't speak in English. So please watch my full video and followers subscribe my channel. That's why you'll be able to see my all content. How I'll publish my every single content into my channel. And I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your English learning. So don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us, even me. In this world, English is one of the most demandable language. That's why it's too much high volume right now in our country. But you can't speak in English. It's a failure. Believe me or not, it's your failure. Why you can't speak in English? Please, firstly, you must have find out this. Why you can't speak in English? My name is Shishira. I'm from Bangladesh, and English isn't my first language. This language is my second language. But I have learned this language because this language is too much crucial and too much vital for all over the world. But I don't know why you can't speak in English right now in 2026. If you don't learn this language, doesn't matter. You start from today. Definitely after 13 days or after 1 month later, you will be able to speak in English in 24 hours, 7 days. It just need practice and consistency. Believe me or not, just need practice and consistency. That's why you will be able to a fluent English speaker. Practice in a day or like 20 minutes or 30 minutes. So don't waste your time. You just practice and keep passion and with consistency, because consistency is the key to learn any kind of new language. If you have patient and if you have consistency and if you have practice, that time you will be able to speak in English, or you will be able to learn this kind of language. So don't worry about this. If you just need practice and consistency day by day, month by month, that time you will be become a fluent English speaker. You just need practice like 21 days. That time you will be used to this kind of new language learning day. So you must have practice like this. This is a pen. This is a pen, and this pen color is green, and this is called a head. Now I am out of this pen into this head, and this is called a head, and this is called a pen, and this is called a pin, and this is called practice. And now I'm putting this head with this pen. This is called a full pen. So you must have practice. Right now this is called a container, or this is called a container. Believe me or not, and this container have some kind of elements like cream. This is called a barrel, and this is called a vase. This is called a vase. So, and this is called a hat, and this is called mobile phone. This is called a practice, and this mobile phone card is bound, and now I'm opening at this of this mobile phone, and this is called a backport color at this mobile phone, and this backport color is brown color, and this is called a battery. This is called a practice. And now I'm calling someone like this. One phone number 015900781118. Now I'm calling of this number. This is called a practice, and this phone is ringing right now. Sorry, this phone don't have enough amount. That's why this call has ended. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. This is called practicing with learning English, and I strongly believe that if you are able to do this kind of practice at your home, that time you will be able to learning new thing or learning new language. This is a very proven method. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. I can't prolong my this content because time is too short. Next time I will connect with you with a short time. See you soon with another content. Stay hope and happy new year in 2026. Next time I will connect with you with a short time.